Hello friends. In this video, we'll explain the Analyze Now Algo using real-time 1-hour Nifty market data. Through this video, we've demonstrated how you can prepare your trading strategy using short time frames and shared some trading tricks with a 1-minute Nifty chart. With help of zero-value indicators you can draw your trading strategy and learn tricks of trade. A simple definition of indicators. On this chart, the light blue area represents the price, while zero-value indicators help in understanding nearby support and resistance levels in real-time market conditions. The zero-value plus indicator displays positive price trends, while zero-value minus indicates negative price trends, assisting in understanding major support and resistance levels in this system. The trend indicator defines the current market trend and turns blue when positive, red when negative and green when neutral. The high range indicator shows the nearest high range and updates in real time, and the low range indicator indicates the nearest support level. Clicking on Analyze Now Algo provides analysis for your current selection, defined by the Robotech AI in terms of dialogues. The right window attempts to explain the daily open, high, low, close candles relative to the previous close, offering relevant analysis. Complete zero-value assumptions are explained with help of Robotech AI on basis of your selection. Let's first understand historical events on this chart. As we can see, Nifty attempts to maintain its high levels, but here, the zero-value minus gray line shows strong resistance, and the trend reverses approximately 20 minutes later as the zero-value plus green line comes below the zero-value minus line, indicating a negative trend. The price forms a low of 18,685 from 18,715 level. However, the price attempts to test the support level, as seen on the chart. Here, the zero-value minus line becomes constant. I view this as a short-term trading opportunity, so I clicked Analyze Now Algo to develop a strategy. Through this, we can create a strategy with a single click, guided by Robotech AI.
Let's understand support formation on this system. For nearly 20 minutes, the price remained at 18,685 to 18,690 levels and attempt to support a range, and it finally shows signs of a trend reversal when zero-value minus becomes constant, and zero-value plus green line and starts trending upwards. At this point, I clicked Analyze Now Algo in order to avail trade opportunity with 1-minute chart.
Let's understand zero-value, plus, and minus indicator in live market. The special characteristic of the zero-value indicator is that when the price creates a significant high, zero-value, plus, turns constant, which suggests price should achieve this value in order to retain upward bias. The confirmation of an uptrend occurs when the zero-value minus support line starts moving upwards and forms equilibrium with the zero-value, plus, line. Then, zero-value, plus, indicates the strength of the next trend and quickly spikes upward, as we can observe on the next chart. Let's understand zero-value equilibrium point. On this chart, we can clearly see that when zero-value equilibrium point is formed and if the zero-value, plus, indicator continues to trend upwards, it confirms an uptrend. The zero-value, plus, indicator pulls the price upwards rapidly. This demonstrates that the trend is strong, and the uptrend is still intact. Develop an understanding of support and resistance using the zero-value, plus, and minus indicators. When the price is in an uptrend, it tests its nearest support levels and then attempts to resume the upward momentum. As we can see on the chart, when the price tests zero-value minus line while showing strong upward momentum, it indicates that buyers are in control, and Robotech guides us in real-time market at every level. Analyze uptrend with zero-value, plus, indicator. The special feature of the zero-value indicator is that when zero-value, plus, trends strongly above price, it starts trending rapidly in upward direction. The price has returned to the 18,705 to 18,710 range, and price is currently trading at exit 1 level. So, our Robotech Algo trading system gives you opportunity to trade short time frame even using 1-minute data. The special characteristic of the zero-value equilibrium point. In this chart, we can clearly see that there is a point where balance has been restored considered as zero-value equilibrium point, and if the zero-value plus indicator holds and continues to trend upward, it confirms an uptrend and pushes the price to higher levels. This indicates that the trend is strong, and the uptrend will likely continue. Understanding the stability when zero value plus turns constant. At this point, we are again looking at the same pattern when zero value plus green line becomes constant, and the zero value minus gray line pulls upwards. This indicates that the strength for the price to move upwards is still present, as it can be observed on the chart. Even in an uptrend, the price tests zero value minus support. We can observe on the chart that when the price is in an uptrend, it tests its nearest support and then attempts to continue upwards, as we can see on the chart when the price tests zero value minus line and bounces back strongly. Robotech guides us in the real-time market at every level. The Analyze Now window is helpful in short-term trading. As per our predefined algo, the first entry was suggested at 18,688, and the exit one suggestion was at 18,705, which price have achieved. However, if you wish, you can go to your order book and edit your trades to set them at different exit levels or take predefined exit to